Welcome to this comprehensive review of TeamSupport, the CRM software designed specifically for customer support and collaboration. In this video, I'll take you through every aspect of TeamSupport to help you decide if it's the right tool for your business needs. We'll start by discussing the platform's interface and ease of use, which are crucial factors when choosing a CRM. TeamSupport offers a clean and straightforward interface that makes navigation intuitive even for new users. The dashboard is well organized, providing quick access to essential features like ticket management, customer insights, and reporting tools. Moving on to its core functionalities, TeamSupport stands out for its robust ticket management system. It's designed to help customer support teams efficiently track and resolve issues. You will notice how tickets can be categorized, assigned, and monitored for progress, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. This feature is particularly useful for organizations managing high volumes of customer queries. Another strength of TeamSupport is its emphasis on team collaboration. Features like internal chat and the ability to share customer history among team members streamline communication and improve overall efficiency. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to explore them after watching the video to get the most out of this review. Another noteworthy feature is the customer database management. TeamSupport allows businesses to maintain detailed customer records, enabling personalized interactions and improved customer satisfaction. The integration capabilities are another major advantage. You can connect TeamSupport with popular tools like Salesforce, Slack, and HubSpot, ensuring a seamless workflow across platforms. This is a huge plus for businesses looking to unify their tech stack. However, no software is perfect, and TeamSupport does have its limitations. Some users may find the initial setup process a bit time-consuming, especially if they're transitioning from a different CRM. Additionally, the reporting features, while functional, might lack the advanced customization options that power users require. It's also worth mentioning that the pricing model might not suit smaller businesses with limited budgets, so it's important to weigh the cost against the features you'll use most. Overall, TeamSupport is a strong choice for medium to large businesses that prioritize customer support and teamwork. Its specialized features cater to organizations handling complex support workflows, making it an excellent investment for the right audience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and detailed walkthroughs. Thank you for watching.